At Glamorous, we know that there are a few universal hair care issues that everyone deals with, and one of them is dandruff or flaky scalps. Hi, I'm Haley and I'm here today to tell you exactly how to treat it, and I promise it works wonders. We're pretty sure that you heard all about how great neem is for everything, especially from your grandmas. So it wouldn't be surprising that this works to get rid of dandruff too. This magic ingredient is antimicrobial, meaning it's going to get rid of all the bacteria and fungi on the scalp. Take a handful of neem leaves and boil it with 2 cups of water. Once done, let it cool down and then strain it. After washing your hair, spray the scalp with this and give it a quick massage so it can really soak in. You'll definitely notice a huge difference within just 3 rinses with neem water. If you love using heat tools and styling products, chances are your scalp is dry, rough and super flaky. And if that is the case, then apple cider vinegar has you covered. Because it can treat product buildup and dandruff. It's filled with AHAs that are natural and gentle exfoliators, so it gets rid of the dead skin flakes on your scalp but doesn't make your hair feel like straw. Take 100 ml of ACV and mix it into 500 ml of water and add it to a spray bottle. Spray it all over the scalp and let it sit for 30 minutes before washing it with your usual shampoo and conditioner. Your scalp will feel squeaky clean and this method will never let you down. I think it's safe to say that aloe is the jack of all trades and the master of all too. It's filled with enzymes that soothe the inflammation and itching that dandruff can bring. And it's super moisturizing on a flaky scalp. So if you're noticing specks on your t-shirt, make this scalp mask and use it once every week. Take 2 tablespoons of fresh aloe, 1 tablespoon soaked fenugreek paste and 1 tablespoon of almond oil. Apply this all throughout the scalp and keep it in for an hour before washing it off. This will not only clear the roots of the dandruff but make the hair super soft too. It's a complete win-win situation. While these remedies are super effective, there are also a few secret hacks that are perfect for anyone who has flake-prone scalp. One of them is making your very own dandruff shampoo, and that too under just a minute. Simply crush an aspirin tablet with the normal amount of shampoo you would use to wash your hair. It's super rich in salicylic acid, so it removes the extra grease and the flakes that latch onto it. Tea tree oil is another star that helps alleviate flakes by deep cleaning the pores. Just add a drop of this to your shampoo and you're good to go. So you see, dandruff can be stubborn, but with these tips, we're sure it can easily become a thing of the past. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.